Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, my name is Muhammad Izz Iskandar bin Tazuddin. I'm going to introduce to you all the devices that has microcontroller in our daily life, especially at home. Thank you and happy watching.
It's a washing machine. A washing machine, laundry machine, as a closer water and washer. Applicate use it to wash laundry. Mostly applicate to machine that use the water and proceed to dry the cleaning. Easy to use like in house. Which is alternate cleaner, cleaning, filter and performance or ultrasonic cleaner.
Okay, hi. This is a printer. Okay, this is a inkjet printer. Okay, inkjet printer use ink to print text, okay, graphics and images onto various types of paper. Okay, this device has a microcontroller inside it. Okay, the input for this device is the buttons here. Okay, signal from the input will be sent to the microcontroller, okay, to process a signal that will be sent to the output, which is print head. Okay, print head is a printer component that helps transfer ink onto the paper. It does by firing tiny droplets of ink via numerous printer nozzles to create a desired print. Okay, thank you. Okay, hi. Okay, this device is called keyboard. Okay, this is a keyboard. Actually, keyboard is a set of keys that enables you to enter data into computer. Okay, it is the main input device of the computer. Okay, it has many keys, okay, which can be pressed to make characters like numbers, okay, numbers, letters or even symbols appear on the screen. Okay, this keyboard has microcontroller inside it. The input for this device is keypad, okay, and then it will send a signal to microcontroller from the input. The signal from the input will be sent to the microcontroller, okay, to be processed and send a signal to the output that will be displayed on LCD screen. Okay, the output is the LCD screen here. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is a microwave. Actually, microwave is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to the electromagnetic radiation, but in microwave frequency range. This device has microcontroller. The input for this device is the door switch, okay, the door switch and the dial switches here, okay, and then the signal from the input will be sent to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller will process and send the signal to the output, which is lamp inside here for the heating, the sounder, okay, after we finish with our food heating. Okay, thank you.
Microcontrollers devices that I've been chosen is refrigerator and also wireless earphones. So here with me I have my wireless earphone. You all can be able to see this, which uses a microcontroller in this area. So I'm going to ask you, why is this important for this device to have a microcontroller? Okay, so this the microcontroller that it is built in this AirPod is responsible for managing the wireless connections between the earphones and also the device that they're going to be paired with. such as smartphones, computers, etc. So the devices that are going to be paired with, as well as controlling the various functions of the earphones. So the microcontroller, what does it do here? Okay, so the microcontroller will communicate with the device that we are desired to pair with. For instance, if I'm going to use my phone in a while, you'll be able to see it. I'll have a screen record share here. So the microcontroller communicates with the wireless radio module, and which is going to be responsible for transmitting and also receiving the data over the wireless connection. So how it's going to work: when I open this, and it communicates with the handphone that I'm going to pair with, and this device is going to use a Bluetooth method to pair with another device. It also can control audio processing and amplification circuits, which converts a digital audio signal from the device into an analog signal that can be played through the earphones. So this microcontroller can be also used to provide many other informations, like once it's paired, the microcontroller will be able to show the device, not my device, not the smartphone, and I mean this AirPod, the wireless earpod battery life. We can see through the, once it's paired, and it will be able to adjust our sound with the, and also it accepts our voice commands, which we can speak to the Siri and it will respond accordingly once it's paired with our iPhone. So these are the outputs that we can control. So last but not the least, I would like to say that microcontroller is an important component in an wireless earphone, because this is gonna allow them to provide a seamless wireless audio experience with the advanced features and also the functionality. And nowadays the technology has been grown a lot, and you can see here, once it's on here, it's gonna automatically charge, because the case is gonna have the charge, and this will be transferred to the earbuds.
This is a multimeter, digital multimeter. Multimeter can measure voltage, current and resistor. Let's see how to use. Just put a crop. This is a calling crop. Yeah, for example the function is multimeter. See the number.
Hi, so now the third one will be, we continue with the water heater. So let me get a picture of this water heater. So here we have the water heater, and here the microcontroller is going to be responsible for controlling the heating process by monitoring the temperature of the water and also adjusting the power to the heating element to ensure that the water is heated to the desired temperature. So the microcontroller communicates here with various sensors, and one of it is going to be the temperature control here, and the other one is going to be the inverter silent pump. This is the pump which controls the pressure as well. And so once we on the valve for the water inlet, and the water comes, and we can control our temperature here, and this light means that the heater is turned on, and if it's off, there won't be any light here. So this can be controlled by the microcontroller, and this goes higher and this goes lesser. So this controls the power as well, which is the pressure. You can see the pressure here, very higher, and this is off. So this is the difference here. So some of the advanced water heaters do have flow sensors, which is going to control the flow rate, and this will improve the efficiency of the water heater as well. And in overall, the use of microcontroller in this water heater can improve the accuracy and also the efficiency of the heating process. And this is will be very convenient for us to experience as well, because we can remote the temperature and also the water pressure according to our desired needs. So this will be very helpful, and this is the function of microcontroller as well. I hope you guys understood what I've explained, and also this will be helpful for your future. So here we have got a refrigerator. So this refrigerator uses a microcontroller to program the temperature inside the fridge and also the freezer compartments as well. Also adjust the compressor and feed the fan speed so that the blower will act according to your need. Okay, so here's it. Here it's just an example. So there's a light here, and there's also door open close sensor, which is manual. So here we have the freezer compartment and also the ice making compartment. So this is also controlled by the microcontroller as well. So yeah, so as we've seen in the video before, these microcontrollers actually can be also manage the defrost cycle by activating the monitoring of the defrost sensor to ensure the ice buildup is removed as well. And also in addition, it is also the microcontroller can use to monitor the water filter status sensor and also the water dispenser. Like I'm sure that this refrigerator don't have the facility, but latest and also the very expensive high-end refrigerators, they do provide that. And these microcontrollers are the one that's going to control all these sensors.
Hi, this is a wireless mouse. Yeah, this is a wireless mouse. A mouse that's sending the signal to the computer. Bluetooth mic commonly use it a table, because most of the table have Bluetooth below in. They can also be used without a computer that has a Bluetooth from the factory or via adapter. Just putting on the USB. Must click any button lah in wireless mouse. Yeah, you see there? You see the screen. When I move the mouse, the arrow also move.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, this is a TV remote control. Okay, when it comes to television and home theater devices, the dominant technology tends to be infrared. Okay, so this device has a microcontroller inside it. So the input for this device is the button here. Okay, then the signal will be sent to the microcontroller to be processed, and the signal from the microcontroller will be sent to the output, which is infrared signal. Thank you.